Season 2, Episode 18 of Pro Wrestling's Top 50. I'm your host, Travis McNeil, and today we continue our countdown of the top 50 matches in Impact Wrestling history with match number 33 on our list. Now, if you've looked at the title of this video in the thumbnail, I can let you know this is not the match that you think it is. This match is the TNA X Division Championship three-way match between the champion Samoa Joe and his challengers Christopher Daniels and AJ Styles from the UWF TNA Hardcore War event held on June the 9th of 2006. Now, this is a bit of a deep cut. This match is not available on Impact Plus. It is not available on any streaming service. It is available on DVD through highspots.com. UWF was an independent promotion run by Hermie Sadler, who was a NASCAR driver who made several early NWA TNA appearances. He partnered with TNA for basically what were the original TNA house shows before they started doing, their own house shows. Very smartly, TNA decided when WWE ran ECW One Night Stand 2 in 2006. The first One Night Stand was so well received. The second one, people were excited for it, but it faced a little bit of scrutiny because, it was announced at that time that WWE would be reviving ECW. That event had, a Kurt Angle versus Randy Orton match on it, which certainly doesn't scream ECW. And it featured, John Cena and a lot of WWE wrestlers at the time. So people thought, what are they doing with the ECW that we love? So what TNA did is they, that same weekend, ran the ECW Arena with, a very fun throwback show. It featured, some old ECW guys like Jerry Lynn and Spike Dudley and the Dudley Boys. It featured, an old school ECW chair riot. And one of the matches that put ECW on the map was the three-way dance between Shane Douglas, Sabu, and Terry Funk. So TNA thought, what better way to honor that in the ECW arena by running back, arguably at that point, probably the most famous TNA match, which was the three-way between Styles, Joe, and Daniels that was held back at Unbreakable 2005. So this one had a little bit of a different spin. So these guys, coming out of Unbreakable, they had a feud. They had, multiple singles matches against each other, many of which, have ended up on this list. They had a rematch at the Against All Odds 2006 event. They had an Ultimate X match at the Against All Odds, at the Destination X 2006 event, which I think fell, short of a lot of our expectations. So by the time this match happened, it kind of in a way felt a little played out, but it absolutely delivers. It's a hidden gem. I think most people that are watching this video have probably never seen this match, just because of how rare it is. And it's got an electric crowd. It's got, that sense of history, behind it with the ECW tie-in. All of these guys had started to move away from each other. Styles and Daniels, had formed a tag team. They were the Phenomenal Angels at that point. They were going after the TNA Tag Team Championships, or I guess at the time it was still the NWA World Tag Team Championships, pardon me. Samoa Joe, was still the X Division champion, but, it kind of moved on to bigger and better things, and he would eventually, over the course of the year, shift up to that heavyweight division, as I've mentioned in previous videos. So this match is just a different twist. In the original match at Unbreakable, Daniels is the dastardly heel. Here it shifted to Samoa Joe. He bails out, very early on and is arrogant. And while Styles and Daniels are doing a very athletic sequence, he trips Daniels from the floor. Just a piece of garbage. But this match, it has such a frantic, wild pace. It doesn't go very long. I think it maybe runs just over 10 minutes, maybe in the 12-ish minute range, but they do not let up. And although I think, with the historical significance it had and whatnot, I think, the Unbreakable match is maybe better than this one. I think this one, though, is a super worthy successor and is arguably, maybe just as good, but in a very, very different way. It's a great, high speed match. They do awesome three-way spots. Daniels has Samoa Joe prepped for last rites, and AJ comes in, so Daniels hits a Uranagi to Styles over top of Joe's body that he's holding in the reverse DDT position. Samoa Joe, hits an Olay kick to both of them at the same time on the floor. There's a spot where Styles goes for a kick. Joe, grabs his foot, back flips him into the reverse DDT on Daniels. But before he hits it, he hits, a normal DDT on Joe at the same time. And it's just really fun, crazy stuff. There's an incredible dive in this match, too, where Daniels goes for a tope and, Joe cuts him off with the forearm. But before he can do anything, AJ Styles comes out of nowhere and hits a Fosbury flop, but going over the top of Daniels' body, which is draped through the ropes. It was fantastic. This match goes into a super hot finishing sequence. There's a bunch of kickouts. There's a bunch of big moves. The crowd is electric. It's all sorts of fun. There's a really, really kind of clever, great spot that I enjoyed where they do the finish from the Unbreakable match, which is Styles countering Angel's Wings basically into like a back bridging pin. But very smartly, he sees Joe out of the corner of his eye coming to break it up and he releases the pin. And I loved that. It was something so simple. That's how he won the first match, but he noticed and he was aware he wasn't going to win in this match with it, so he abandoned it. I thought it was great. The actual finish here, again, is just so good. AJ Styles goes for an Oklahoma roll. Joe turns it into the Coquina clutch, into the choke. That's a finish that these two used in a one-on-one match, so AJ knew that was coming, almost baited Joe into it, and then immediately rolled himself back, very reminiscent of how Christian would go on to defeat, Joe at Destination X 2007. So he does this roll-up, gets a very close count, and Joe just rolls him over, turns him over, and hits basically a camel clutch version of his Coquina clutch choke. It was vicious. AJ Styles immediately passes out from it, and Samoa Joe retains the X Division champion in an absolute barn burner of a sprint. This match, if you can track it down, it is worth going out of your way to see. I was happy that I got to include it on this list because I love the hidden gems. Like I said, it is available for purchase on DVD. If you're still into physical media through highspots.com. I ask that you please subscribe to the channel here on YouTube so that you do not miss a video. You can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Wrestling50. And please join me again tomorrow as we continue to count down Pro Wrestling's Top 50.